In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF as a product feature image on Shopify. Using an animated GIF for your main product image is a great way to show movement, highlight key features, or simply make your product page more eye-catching. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the process inside your Shopify admin, and I'll also share a few practical tips along the way so everything works smoothly. First, sign into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the main admin screen, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. This is where you manage everything for your store. Find and click on the section labeled Products. This will open a list of all the products you currently have in your store. Next, choose the product you want to update. Click on the product name to open its details page. Here you'll see sections for the title, description, pricing, inventory, and so on. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on the area labeled Media. This is where all of the images and videos for your product are stored and arranged. Inside the Media section, look for the button that says Add Media. Go ahead and click that. Shopify will now prompt you to upload a file from your computer. Before you do this, make sure you've already created or downloaded your GIF file and saved it somewhere you can easily find, like your desktop or a dedicated images folder. Now, select your GIF file and upload it. Shopify supports GIFs, but keep in mind that large files can slow down your product page, especially on mobile devices. If your GIF is very big, consider compressing it beforehand using an online tool so it loads faster for your visitors. Once the GIF has finished uploading, you'll see it appear in the media section alongside your other product images. By default, Shopify uses the first image in this list as the main product image, also known as the feature image. To make your GIF the feature image, simply drag it into the first position on the far left. Click and hold the GIF, then move it to the very beginning of the image row and release it there. Shopify will automatically update the order, and that GIF will now be used as the primary product image on your storefront. After arranging the media, remember to scroll up or down and click Save. Once saved, you can preview your store to confirm that the GIF now appears as the main product image for that product.